If you get this error code Uniform-01 on Tom Clancy's The Division 2, then in this tutorial I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. And the error says Ubisoft services are not available at this time. Please try again later with an error code Uniform-01. Now make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. As you can see here, the error code Uniform-01 in Tom Clancy's The Division 2 occurs when there is an update or server maintenance. Now try the steps below to resolve this issue. You can try to restart your device and the router, then relaunch the game. If there is an update, the game will automatically update itself after the restart. So you can try to restart your device and the router, then relaunch the game. If there is an update, the game will automatically update itself after the restart. Also, if you're on Xbox, go to under My Games, choose Manage Content, select Update manually. So if you're on Xbox, go under My Games, choose Manage Content and select Update manually. If it all fails, then there may be a server maintenance. Wait for a few hours and the issue should resolve by itself. You can also join the Ubisoft Discord channel. They normally announce if there is a server maintenance. So I'll provide the link on the description of this video for the Discord. They normally announce if there is a server maintenance. Also through the Discord, which is Ubisoft Discord, you can just search for this error code, which is Uniform-01. You can get tons of support from various people who was also facing the same problem. And the moderators just provide a response that can help them. So just join their Discord, which is Ubisoft. I'll provide the link on the description of this video. You can either search for the error code or just message the mods and they can help you regarding this problem. But in most cases, this problem occurs because there is an update or a server maintenance. Following these exact steps which I show you will help you resolve this problem. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. Thanks so much for watching this video and see you next time.